Hello. Today I'm going to talk on a book written by Dr. Edward de Bono, and the name of the book is Six Action Shoes. I have made a video earlier on another book written by Dr. de Bono that was Six Thinking Hats. So the hats, as the name says, are worn on our heads, and that book was more about on the thought processes going on in a person's mind. But you would agree that nothing greater in this world can be achieved until the right thoughts are coupled with right actions. And maybe that's why, after writing the six hats, Dr. De Bono has written six action shoes. Metaphorically, what shoes reflect? Shoes reflect action. A sleeping man will not be wearing shoes. A dead man will never have shoes. Shoes are worn by people who are already taking action or people who are about to take action. That's how the shoes connect. Then he has, through analogy, he has used different colors of shoes and different types of shoes. He has defined six type of situations in his book, and he has defined, linked those situations to certain types and colors of shoes, and he has defined certain actions. So it we can fit in these six situations into our real life situations, and it will assist us in taking quicker actions. So the first shoes he has referred are navy blue shoes. So there are many situations which we face in which merely following a routine will help, right? So situations in which only routine needs to be followed, or some predetermined, pre-scripted procedure, standard operating procedure has to be followed. That is a situation which he has linked with navy blue shoes. Second situation Dr. De Bono has talked about are gray sneakers. As the name says, sneakers, we have to run around, we have to find, we have to walk across different places. And the name says gray, things are not clear, gray area, things are not clear. And also gray, you have to use your head to figure out. So when we are in the investigative mode, we have to find out solutions, we have to figure out things, we have to investigate. We wear gray sneakers. The third shoes Dr. De Bono has talked about in his book are the brown shoes. So typically brown is what? An earth's color, right? We know, and those type of solid brown shoes where you don't need to be cautious about the polish you do on shoes, right? Typical brown shoes. So they are situation when you have to go into messy situations, where you have to go off-road, you have to get into the mud to understand, and things are evolving. So such situations Dr. De Bono has referred that brown shoes situations. The fourth shoes Dr. De Bono has talked about are orange gumboots. Remember the firefighters? They are very prominent orange uniform and orange shoes. So any situation where there's some kind of an emergency, where some safety of people are involved, where immediate action is required, so such situations we wear orange boots. The fifth type of shoes Dr. De Bono has referred are pink slippers. So where we wear slippers in a fragile situation, where the ground is very clear and stable, where we have to exhibit nurturing, where we have to exhibit care. We face it many situations when you need to do that. We all know that. So such situations are linked by pink slippers. And the final sixth type of shoe Dr. De Bono has defined are the purple shoes. Dr. De Bono says purple is the color of emperor. So there are situations where we need to exhibit authority. There we need to wear purple shoes. Situation in which the person is not speaking, but the position the person holds, that is speaking. So all such situations, there we will use purple shoes. So a quick recall for routines, predetermined actions where procedures are defined. Remember navy uniform, right? Remember navy blue shoes. For to finding out in an investigative mode where you have to find things when things are gray, not clear, you have to use your head, wear gray. And that situation reflects gray sneakers. When you have to go onto the ground, face a situation, maybe get really muddy, get into the mud, get off-road, find out, evolve, there we need to wear solid brown shoes. And where orange boots reflect situations when there's an emergency, when people's lives are at stake, some immediate action, safety and fast needs to be taken, that reflect orange shoes. When we need to exhibit care and nurture, we wear pink slippers, and purple is where we need to exhibit authority. Dr. De Bono has also said in this book we can wear combination of shoes as well. That on one foot we can wear to follow a routine, a navy blue shoe, followed by maybe we have to exhibit care and nurturing. We on the other foot we wear a pink, metaphorically pink slipper, or a combination of navy blue shoe with an orange. There's some emergency situation, but you have to follow certain routine procedures needs to be followed, so it can be combination as well. So this was all about 6 action shoes, a book written by Dr. Edward De Bono, which link thought processes originally defined in his first book of 6 thinking hats with the actions. Nothing action creates more fortunes, as the saying is, than prudence. So that was all about 6 action shoes by Dr. De Bono. Thank you very much.